manufacturing remains important to our economy. But the nature of manufacturing is changing, and we must undertake several measures to ensure that the sector is well positioned for the future. So let me talk about some of those measures. First, we want to invest in advanced manufacturing technologies, such as additive manufacturing and robotics, and also promote their adoption across different verticals. The global robotics industry is projected to grow from about $27 billion last year to about $80 billion in 2025. To seize this opportunity, we will invest over $450 million through the National Robotics Program in the end-to-end development of robotics technology. This will include public-private partnerships between research institutions, companies, and public agencies to pilot robotics technology applications across various industries. And we will support the mass adoption of robotics across sectors to drive productivity. In fact, EDB and Spring are working with technology partners and system integrators locally to develop standardized and scalable modular robotic solutions. This will allow SMEs to mix and match these modules to suit their needs, and importantly, the cost of adoption can also be reduced by about 50%. So these are important upfront work that we need to do in order to not just come up with solutions, but encourage its adoption. Mr. Leon Pereira would be interested to note that there are potential robotics applications in the services sector that are currently being worked on in Singapore to automate manual tasks, raise productivity, and address manpower challenges. In elder care, the use of assisted technology can ease the burden on healthcare professionals and caregivers. And nursing homes such as Peace Haven are already exploring possible applications. Similarly, with STB's support, 2 robots will be deployed from June this year in Park Avenue, Rochester Hotel for housekeeping and back-of-house functions, such as the transportation of linen, refuse, and bulky items. So if you go there, you may not see it because it's operating back of house. But there are plans to take it further to the front of house for the delivery of luggage or room service to guests. Dr. Tan Wu Ming highlighted the need to bring together industries and disruptive technologies of tomorrow. And I think this is a very important point because many new opportunities actually lie precisely at this confluence of different industries and new technologies. And physical proximity is one way to encourage greater interaction among enterprises, solution providers, and researchers that can spark novel ideas and create new products. And we have done this at One North, which is home to some 250 leading companies and global institutions, many incubators and startups, many public research institutes, and they collectively create about 40,000 jobs. And this rich ecosystem has spawned many collaborative projects in the biomedical sciences, infocom, the physical sciences, and engineering. The Jurong Innovation District can do the same for the manufacturing sector, with several new growth areas that can be housed there. For example, advanced manufacturing, robotics, which I mentioned, urban solutions, clean tech, and also smart logistics as an extension. This entire value chain can be hosted, which would include also R&D, design, prototyping, production, and supply chain management, and it will have access to end-to-use research and engineering capabilities. And at the early stage, what was referred to as the babies in the system, JTC's launchpad at JID in 2017 will be there to support startups, incubators, and accelerators as well.